Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Pallur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 13th October 2025, Monday, Vishwasnama Samvatsaram, Dakshinayinam, Varsharadho, Puratashi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 6:28 p.m. Saptami, then Ashtami, Monday, that is Somavasaram, Tiruvadira Nakshatram up to 6:43. Today's Rahu Alam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Guligalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. and 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:05 a.m. Chandrashtam for Vrishchiga Rashi. Shulam East. Prayachittam Kard. Shraddha Saptami. Om Sri Matre Namaha.